Hi everyone, this is Stephanie. I go by Stampjg here on YouTube and at my blog at stampjg.com. Thank you so much for joining me. I made this video to introduce myself to you, as well as to thank you so much for liking and subscribing and leaving comments and sharing my videos. I really appreciate it. As a lifelong crafter, I have collected a bunch of tools and products, and I love crafting. Crafting is actually probably my passion. If you ask my friends and family, they will tell you that I'm a crafter. I have dabbled in just about everything, needle crafts, I tried quilting, I tried crocheting, but I've seemed to have stuck with things like paper crafts and stamping and a little bit of scrapbooking, mixed media. Those kinds of things are kind of where most of my interest lies nowadays. But in addition to collecting all these things, what I have learned along the way is I have a passion for helping other people become more creative. And my way of doing that is to help you take some of those tools and products that you may have bought and stuck away on the side and you kind of forgot why you buy them, and to bring them out and to play with them and to spend some time with them, making something that you like and that brings you happiness. And that way you can be more confident with your products and more creative. When you're not worried about, oh, how does this work and I don't understand, and a little intimidated, then you're not having fun. And the whole idea is to have fun and to use your creativity to brighten the day of yourself or somebody else. So I will be uploading on a weekly basis. I will do generally two types of videos, a tool or product in action, where I will take an in-depth look at something. And the other type of video will be a creative inspiration. While I am by no means an expert at this, I just want to give some ideas, some creative possibilities of what can be done with the tools and products that we have on the market, and just kind of brainstorm with you if that's kind of a thing. And that way, when you go to make something, you can be more confident with your products and tools, and then you can create something that really makes you happy, and even possibly give as a gift to make somebody else happy and put a smile on their face for the day. So I hope you come along for the journey, and I thank you again so much for liking and subscribing. Please leave comments. I will get to just as many as I can. Suggestions and all that kind of stuff. I'll take anything that you want to put in the comments. Be nice, play nice, people. And yeah, let's go make something. Thanks.